Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we will solve another problem number 28, which is find the index of the first occurrence in a string. So what's this? Is we are given a string and we need to find the index of first time the needle, which is another string appear in this string. And if the needle does not appear in the string, we return -1. If it exists, we return the first index. For example, here SAD, the needle is SAD, and the first occurrence of SAD is at the beginning, SAD, so return the index of the letter S. Where it appears as at index 0. Example here, Leetcode. We have needle Leto till LEET. It does exist, but the O here is C, so the Leto does not exist in this string, so we return -1. Anyway, it's pretty easy problem, easy to solve. How I'm gonna solve it? I will first define a variable with the length of, let's call it J. It's the length of the needle. I need the length of the needle to create a window. Like here it's 3, here is 3. So I will create a window. I will iterate through each character, each index of this string one by one, and then I will do substring of length 3. So I will take ABC at first, and does ABC equal to the needle? If does, I will return the index here I, which will be 0. If this is ABC, it will be 0, but it's not. So I will increase I by 1, and now I take this window and compare this substring with this one. Are they equal? If yes, I will return 1. If no, I will increase I by 1 and take this window, and so on. So we move to the right one by one till we reach 0, 1, 2, 3. The index is 3. Okay, I will take a window of size length, it's 3. So DEF is equal to DEF, and when they are equal, I will return the index here I, which is 0, 1, 2, 3. I will return 3. It's pretty easy. So let's go to the Jupyter Lab and implement our code. So here I will define the length of needle. I will call it J, so it's length of needle. Okay, but first before we can define it here. J is length of needle, and then we do the loop. So for I, range length of haystack, okay, minus, I don't need to iterate through all characters in the haystack, because if the needle is of length 3, I don't need to start checking from the last 2 characters, because the substring should be of length 3, of length needle. So if needle is 3, I can check the third character from the end and forward, like this. So I will reduce J from it, and I give it a +1. This is our loop. So if needle is 3, if J is 3, the last 2 characters I will not start it as I, because there is no 3 characters more enough to compare it to the needle. If needle is 4, it will be the last 3 characters. I will not start with it, and so on. So anyway, if haystack of index I, from I till I plus J, okay, equal to needle. If it's equal to needle, we return I. If it's not, we do nothing. And if the loop is over without getting any result, we return -1. So there's error. I make a mistake here, let's try it. There is another error. Why T? This should be I. Okay, let me copy the code and go to the Leetcode website and test it. So let's submit. Hopefully it will work. 100% beats the time complexity. Yeah, very good. So it's working fine. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.